Hi, first grade. Welcome. Today I'm going to be reading to you the story of the week from our Wonders Reading Writing Workshop. We are on Unit 1, Week 4. So if I open the contents page and I look for Unit 1, Week 4, Toss, Kick, Hop is a nonfiction story that starts on page 74. So keep turning the page. We're almost to the end of the book. Can you believe it? And here we go. Page 74. Just a friendly reminder, it is always a good idea to turn the pages back and practice reading the phonics fluency pages. It goes over the sound of the week and some words to practice that have the sound of the week. And if you turn the page one more time, excuse me, you can also practice the week's words to know, sight words, high frequency words, so that you can practice them so that when you get to the real story, toss, kick, hop, it's a bit easier for you. So once again, practice the words to know, practice the phonics fluency, and then practice the real story. The genre of this week's story is nonfiction. Nonfiction is a real story, and a lot of the information in the story are facts that are real that help us learn information. Our essential question of the week is, what do friends do together? Read about how friends play together. So in this story, we're going to learn information, facts about how friends play together. And those facts, that information is for real. It can happen in life. I see some exclamation marks, so I'm going to need to use my shouting voice. Toss, kick, hop. Turn the page. See if I can get, there we go. Kids play together. Kids zip, zip, zip. Looks like they're running. Turn the page. We're on page 78. Kids toss, toss, toss. Kids kick, 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 two. And the word two is highlighted because it's one of our words to know, high frequency words, sight words of the week. Turn the page. Kids make block houses. Kids make dolls. They kind of look like sock puppets. Turn the page. Kids hop in sacks. Hop, hop, flop. They have fun. The end. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you liked our story. Toss, kick, hop. Practice it all week so that you could be a good fluent reader. Bye, first grade.